Hello and welcome to the vlog. It has been a morning. I pretty much dragged myself out of bed this morning to get ready and film this vlog. I've been in a weird time of my life lately. Girl, it feels like I'm just surviving out here. I've not been living life and it looks like I'm living my best life with all these vlogs, going to concerts, going on these trips. But in reality, I'm just going through it. I've been on go this past week that I haven't really had the time to clean up my apartment and just enjoy my rent. So I figured for today's vlog, we'll get my life together, get everything that needs to be done, and clean up. This is probably the messiest the apartment has ever been, ever since I moved in, and it's really not that bad. It's just not how I want it to be. But I really don't like it, so we have a lot of cleaning to do, so let's go ahead and get started.
I'm falling. You take your time while I'm crawling. Oh, what a way to waste my time, but never mind, 'cause I'm all in. I knew from the start I was all in, with a hard part to try and to say it. Oh, what a way to break your heart, but whatever, 'cause I know it doesn't matter. Never cared, but I still get anxious when I see you near. And my hands feel heavy, like they don't belong on my body. Now I'm thinking, tell me what you're doing to me. 1 second I'm fine, then I'm down on my knees. It's annoying, so annoying.
Taking a little break. I just boiled some eggs. I haven't ate yet, so I figured we'd do something nice and easy. I'm really bad with keeping up with my food schedule. It's like, I'm really good when I'm not vlogging. I have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. But when I am vlogging, I have like one meal. We're gonna change that today. Charlie, you want an egg? This one popped, so I'll give it to him. Sit. Ready? You gonna catch it? Nope.
So you leave it on red, don't worry, it's no hurry. Just tell me what you're doing to me. Yeah. Just honestly don't think it's healthy, no, to let what you say represent me. Oh, what a way to lose my mind, but never mind, 'cause I know it doesn't matter. Never get, but I still get anxious when I see you near. And my hands feel heavy, like they don't belong on my body. Now I'm thinking, tell me what you're doing to me. 1 second I'm fine, then I'm down on my knees. It's annoying, so annoying. Tell me what's been going on inside of your head. Text been getting heavy, so you leave it on red. Don't worry.
Apartment is all done and clean. I say we go grocery shopping next because I looked into my fridge. It looks full, but I haven't been able to cook because I don't have any of the ingredients that I need. So I've been eating out a lot. Like, I don't even have water. So I think it's time. Before we go, I do want to show you guys this product that I got. Dr. Prepare actually sent me this dehumidifier. I never thought I needed one until I got one, and I've been running it every day since. I have it set up in my bedroom right now. They do come in 2 different sizes. This one is the smaller version, and it's perfectly like compact. There are 3 modes, which is auto, continuous, and sleep mode. I usually turn on the sleep mode whenever I go to sleep at night. It's super quiet and it's perfect for the bedroom. It also has this 2-liter tank in the back, so it automatically shuts off whenever it fills up. So you could just take it out, empty it, or it also comes with a hose. That way you could just connect it and you don't even have to worry about it. You can control everything on the control panel, whether it's speed, timer, or the child lock. It's all on here. I will leave a link down in the description if you guys are interested. Definitely recommend. It's been a great add to the apartment. You guys, gas is getting really expensive. I feel like I just got gas and I gotta get it again.
It's no hurry, just tell me what you're doing to me. Oh, I hate that I can't speak my mind, and the things I say don't come out right. What a way to waste my time. Oh, so tell me what you're doing to me. One second I find that I'm down on my knees. It's annoying, so annoying.
What? Because I was not carrying this. You gotta let security check the bags. There he goes. You know, you gotta make sure that we don't bring anything bad in the house, right? Right, Charlie? Right? Everything's good? Cool. Y'all know what time it is? It's time for a haul. Alright, first bag. Oh. I didn't spend as much as I thought I would. Most of the stuff I bought are on BOGO, so I saved a lot of money from that. Toilet paper, we were running out, so got 2 packs of that. This should last me the full month. Got some chips, the spicy nachos, and the regular nacho cheese. I figured I'd buy this for work. This is a lot. 24 Pop-Tarts, all in strawberry. It's my favorite flavor. I've been really into popcorn lately, so these were on BOGO, so I bought 2 packs of the movie theater butter popcorn. What else? What else? Coffee. This needed a restock. Haven't had this brand in a while, but it was good when I did get it. Just some cold brew coffee, and it was on BOGO, so I figured why not. I usually get the Starbucks ones, but that one was way cheaper. These are my favorite microwavable mussels from Publix. They're garlic flavored. I also picked this up for breakfast for work. I've been spending like $6 at the cafe, and I'm like, why do I keep doing that to myself? 4 of them are like $6 at Publix, so I got that. Green onions. I wanted to make the noodles for lunch today, and it tastes better with the green onions, so I picked that up. Some bananas to grab and go in the morning. And then, 2 cases of water. And I also got, yes, I did buy myself some roses. Are you gonna judge? You know, when nobody buys you roses, you just gotta get it for yourself. I don't think anyone has bought me roses in 2 years. Yeah, it was always me. But aren't these so cute? I am a killer for white roses. Red ones are nice too, but white roses, top tier. All right, I'm gonna put all these away. What I do wanna do is organize the fridge because it is a mess. I say we clean it up and make it look pretty. Fun fact, I actually love organizing the fridge. I just think it's so satisfying.
Tell me what's been going on inside of your head. Text been getting heavy, so you leave it already. Don't worry, it's no hurry. Just tell me what you're doing to me. Oh, I hate that I can't speak my mind, and the things I say don't come out
What do we think? See, now that I'm looking at it, this is making me look like an alcoholic. I really haven't had a drink since the concert, which was just the beginning of this week. But before that, you know what? I'm just gonna shut up. Fridge is done. I'm making lunch now, heating up the water, making this. I haven't had this in a while. That's the reason why I bought the green onions as well. You ready for a bath? And he is about to go to his cage. Ready for a bath? I did put the roses in a vase. I just gotta rearrange it and make it look pretty. Your girl actually learned how to make bouquets 2-3 months ago. Unlocked a whole new skill. But anyway, I'm gonna take a little break, eat my food, watch some videos, and then later I want to go to the car wash and clean out my car because my car is a mess after the beach the other day, and I just have a bunch of stuff in there that doesn't belong in there. So we're gonna clean it up. We're gonna bring Charlie with us as well because my car wash has a dog wash station, so we're gonna give him a bath because he needs one bad. When the water bottles start to pile up, that's how I know it's time to clean the car.
It's annoying, so annoying. Tell me what's been going on inside of your head.
You remember this spot? Yeah? He does not want to be here. What are you doing? Are you mad? You don't want to take a bath, huh? Good boy. Last time I literally had to drag him up there.
Text from getting heavy, so you leave it on red. Don't worry, it's no hurry. Just tell me what you're doing to me.
Charlie, what are you doing? You smell good. I stopped at Steak and Shake and picked up my birthday freebie. This is so bad for me, but it's so good. I am on my way home. I think I've had enough outside time for today. It is so hot. It's 85 degrees. Alright guys, I just got home. I think I'm actually gonna end the vlog here. I don't really have anything else planned for tonight, and it's only 5:51 right now. My friends had invited me to go to a city walk tonight, and I'm debating on if I want to go. Part of me wants to, but the other half is like, maybe I should just stay home, relax, edit this vlog. See, this is my problem, is I complain about not having friends, but the second I get invited out, I end up not going. This is the 3rd week in a row that I did that. Then I complain about not doing anything during my weekends. I'm telling you guys, I'm in a weird time in my life right now. Old me had major FOMO, and I hated not going whenever I was invited. So I would always clear my plans and go no matter what. But now I'm like in this weird isolation phase where it's just me, myself, and I. I don't know if I like it. It's crazy too, because I was just thinking about it earlier today. I've been here for almost 3 months now. It does not feel like 3 months at all. I feel like I just moved in last month. And now that I got everything settled in and everything is good, I don't even know what to do now. Like, do I plan a trip now? Do I move again? What do I do? Ugh, I don't know what I'm doing, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We are so close to 6,000 subscribers. We are like 15 away. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you guys all next week. Bye, guys.
And all we do is talk. It's impossible at night to fall a little bit in love. But tell me if I'm wrong or if I'm the only one. 'Cause I believe